G'day everybody, I have a Dyson SV27 vacuum here, and there's a bunch of people that have been making these videos on YouTube talking about how to do a deep cleaning, but at no point did any of them seem to address this thing here, which I've been told is a pre-motor filter. I saw some dudes just like wipe it with a cloth, and I can tell you that just wiping it with a cloth doesn't seem to do too much. It just kind of sticks the dust into the holes, and this doesn't seem to be removable, or at least not easily removable. There are star screws here. So I guess what I'm wondering is, like, what's the deal with this? As in, does anybody know what you're supposed to do with this getting all clogged up? Because I've gone and like had a go at using a pin to like poke holes and try and poke the dust through, and I found that some compressed air could get some more sort of streaky areas through. But then it makes me wonder, like, okay, once the dust has gotten through here, does it then start clogging up the motor inside? So does anybody know what on earth is going on with this pre-motor filter? If that's what it's even called, and what you're supposed to do when basically all of these holes become clogged up. Because I can only assume that if once all these holes are clogged up, as they almost like 99% were before I started poking holes in here, if all of these holes are clogged up, then there's no way for air to get through here, and then surely there'll be no suction at that point, or at least very, very, very minimized suction. So if anyone's got some ideas on what on earth is going on here, what to do here, please do let me know.